Of course, it's the first premiere in Southeast Asia of this 911 GTS with T-hybrid technology. As you can see, the color is so beautiful, which is called Vanadium Gray. 0 to 100 km/h, it took only 3 seconds. Yes, 3 seconds only. 541 horsepower and with the top speed of 312 km/h. This year, we collaborate with Kyrgyzstan Bangkok to enrich Porche community experience and to showcase this living room unique booth concept. As you can see, we have a cafe over here with great coffee and a bakery, and we're ready to welcome you all.